Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to get Peacock TV on Samsung Smart TV. To get the Peacock TV on Samsung Smart TV, you can follow the steps. Now, first of all, you need to make sure check that your device is supported by Peacock. You could check the compatibility lit on the official Peacock website and the official Samsung developer website as well. The home screen, select the search bar and type Peacock. Now for that you want to use your remote, and next thing you want to do is tap on the search box and type in Peacock with the help of your remote. Once you've done it, so next thing what you want to do is you could go ahead and select the Peacock TV if it is available, and it will appear in the section as well. Now next thing you want to do is click on it and then press the and then you want to go ahead and select the download icon. After the Peacock app is installed, press the play icon or open button, and if you have an existing account, select the sign in button, and that way you'll be able to get Peacock TV on Samsung. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.